Welcome back to magicGerman.net. If you want to schedule the remaining lessons in your package, or if you want to reschedule or cancel a lesson, please go to the student panel. On the student panel, just enter the email address you used when you bought the lesson or package. We will then send you a link to get access to the panel. So please check your email postbox and follow the link. You then have access to your lessons and packages. If you want to book one of the remaining lessons from your package, please click on the package and then book a lesson. So for now, I will book a lesson for the 14th, 8 o'clock. I confirm this, and then the lesson is booked. If you want to cancel or reschedule a lesson, please go to the week where you find this lesson. So I now have the lesson I just booked for 8 o'clock, and I can choose the pencil and either reschedule or cancel the lesson. If you have further questions, please contact us at letstalk@magicgerman.net or contact your teacher directly. Thank you for choosing magicgerman.net.